Hi, I'm Lisa Leiter. In Chicago Business Today, the return of the flip. A boom-era trick is back as apartment building prices soar. Yes, we're talking about flipping, and that's just what at least one apartment building owner is doing. Sources tell Crain's Miami investor Crescent Heights is selling the 480-unit Cityfront Place to Reef, a pension fund advisor. The price tag, $106 million, a hefty premium to the $82 million paid just 17 months ago. It seems now that everyone wants in on the apartment market, which is booming as would-be home buyers are unwilling to take or risk, or simply can't get a mortgage and choose to rent instead.
Crescent Heights is a unique story because they were one of the few people that actually pulled the trigger and had the guts to make a deal happen at the bottom of the market. And now, they're going to see the benefit of that. If you look at, what's happened over the last few years, we will probably have more dollar volume of sales this year than we've seen in the last 3 years combined. We could be approaching $1 billion in transactions.
Investors are focused on the future income these apartment buildings will generate. Effective rents at the most expensive downtown buildings rose 7.2% last year, and appraisal research counselors expects the same jump in 2011.
It's as steep a V recovery as I've been part of in my 30-some years in the apartment business. So we have strong demand, lots of capital chasing not that many assets, and no new supply. It's never happened quite like this since I've been in business.
Some say stories of flipping will become more common as the real estate market improves, but others have decided that it makes more sense to build new towers rather than buy existing ones at inflated prices. AMLI expects to start construction on a tower in River North by October.
It's a good time to be building. There's not a lot under construction, and the trades are reasonably aggressive, so the actual hard costs have come down a little bit from the high point, say in '07. And we think the risk-reward dynamic favors development at this time.
Mutz also says AMLI, which has more than 3,800 apartments in the Chicago area, will sell about 9 of its older properties this year and buy 10 or 11 newer ones in urban locations. Well, that's this edition of Chicago Business Today. For more on this story, be sure to check out this week's print edition of Crain's and chicagobusiness.com. And see us anytime on the go with our new mobile app. Download it at chicagobusiness.com/mobile apps. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.